Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How to make gradient background in Canva. So after all, we will just have to select the templates right over here, and it will just tap on it like this one, education presentation. So when it's completely load, you just have to select it, or you will just have to create a blank presentation. So just tap on it, which is the size of 16 by 9, and also we will just have to move in the top left option is the elements. So we will move in this elements option and just write it like gradient blue background. So just tap for search, and as you can see there is an option of graphics, so we will just tap for see all, and you will just see the results. And when you just have to select it like that one, and you'll just have to adjust it from this corner arrows, or you will just simply have to right click and just tap on the set image as background. And after once clicked, you will just have to change the colors from here. So in this way, you will just have to make gradient background in Canva. So thank you so much for watching, guys.